Hello, species value nature system. This is 1100 Street. This is where you'll sign up for the species system, the burrow system, and the finite system. Each and this goes who's not going with the rest of the game. Like with the office that we just came from. We're setting the campus up. You'll hear about it all. Because this is about counters. We need counter positions for the organized crime method that came from semi-ancient times. Humanity. Oh, cartoon value nature system. We're going to bring lost fronts on our modern nation's founding. Since the founding of the American cartoon value nature system, we have lost this course. So this just describe how the value nature system is going to interact, what it's going to look like, this gaming system look like. We have to get this generator set up. We have to get the ancient gaming system set up. We have to admit losses and reliefs. We have to make everyone believe. We even be able to fathom what is right here. Evolution is that always true. And together, not unity as a negative value nature incomplete. Unity that is this nature's possession unto itself complete. It does not lead that value, it only lifts in gifts or leaves. Leaf of ideas. Eddie. Campus Marcius, hear your name. This way we'll find it again. This name reclaim. Its value spreads. Control your heads, minds. Okay, so please, sign up for the gaming system. I don't know if there's a little spot where you can interact with us here. Type in there, and I can talk to you there. Me, Sep, or Reeves, or we'll come to this.